To use Authorize Net Webhook validation, you need to understand what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are callbacks made by the Authorize Net server to your server after a specific event occurs. The validation process ensures the authenticity of the webhook notifications sent by Authorize Net. First step is to set up a webhook endpoint on your server that can receive and process the webhook notifications from Authorize Net. This endpoint should be able to handle HTTP post requests and should be accessible over the Internet. Next step is to configure the webhook in the Authorize Net merchant interface. You need to provide the URL of your webhook endpoint and select the events for which you want to receive notifications. After setting up the webhook endpoint and configuring the webhook in the Authorize Net merchant interface, you need to validate the webhook notifications. To validate the webhook notifications, you need to calculate the HMAC signature of the notification and compare it with the HMAC signature sent by Authorize Net. To calculate the HMAC signature, you need to use the same signing key that you used to configure the webhook in the Authorize Net merchant interface. You can use a programming language like Python or Java to calculate the HMAC signature. Here is an example of how to calculate the HMAC signature in Python. You need to import the HMAC and hashlab libraries and use the SHA-512 algorithm to calculate the HMAC signature. The HMAC signature should be compared with the HMAC signature sent by Authorize Net in the Authorize Net signature header of the webhook notification. If the two signatures match, the webhook notification is valid. Best practice is to handle the webhook notifications asynchronously to avoid blocking the main thread of your application. You should also handle any exceptions that may occur during the validation process to ensure that your application remains stable and secure. In conclusion, using Authorize Net webhook validation is an effective way to ensure the authenticity of the webhook notifications sent by Authorize Net. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can set up a webhook endpoint and validate the webhook notifications to ensure the security and integrity of your application.